Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the project, program and portfolio. And this is a very important topic with respect to project management, and today we shall see this topic in detail, that what does it mean, what is the definition and concept of project, program and portfolio in the field and domain of project management. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project, program and portfolio. Friend, these are the three very basic terminology which we used in the field of project management, especially if you are a person who is studying for PMP exam. You are a student of PMP exam, let's suppose. So this is a very important topic for with respect to exam point of view. You will definitely see at least 5 to 10 questions which are directly related to the concept of project, program and portfolio. Secondly, if you are a person who is working in any organization as a project manager, program manager, so this is very important for you to understand the concept of project, program and portfolio. So let's start, friend. First of all, we have to understand that what is a project actually. Project, as per the definition of PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, project is a temporary endeavor which has a beginning and ending point, which is temporary, and it gives you a unique output, product, service or result. This is just a definition actually. Project, let's suppose, friend, every project is temporary and every project is unique. So these are the two very basic ingredients which must be included in every project. Let's suppose you are implementing an e-commerce solution for a customer. Okay, so this e-commerce solution is unique. Unique means that you are implementing it on the first time means that whatever the scope, what are the complexities, so it is unique. Unique means that you are implementing it on the first time. Okay, but why? Because it is unique, so there are some complexities. Then it is temporary. Temporary means that it has a beginning and ending point. Like for example, you are initiating a project in the month of June, for example, and in the month of December, this project will finish. Finish means that the resources will be released, the scope will be finished, the deliverables will be completed. So after the month of December, the project will be finished and no more working will be there on that project. Okay, so every project is temporary, every project is unique. Okay, so these are the very basic concept of a project. Secondly, friend, the project is always temporary, it always unique. And let me give you some more example. For example, you are like suppose you are implementing a new process in the company, for example. So it's a project. You are building a new flyover uh, in the city, so it's a project. You are building you are making deploying a new software solution for a company, so it's a project. Okay, so these are the very basic concept of the project. So remember that project is temporary, project is unique. Okay, so these, remember these two very important concept. Project can never be a repetitive activity, like it should not, it can never be operational activity, it can never be ever forever. It is a temporary, it is a unique, and it is not an operational task, it is not an repetitive task. Now the other concept is program. Now what is program actually? Program is a group of projects that are similar or related to one another and which are often managed and coordinated in a group instead of independently. Now, if you can understand the concept of a program, so program project. So program is, you can say, you can easily understand the concept of program. Program means the group of projects which are interrelated. Okay, so this is the concept of a program. Now, for example, you are let's suppose you are building a new complex, new building. You are making a new building in a hospital for, let's suppose, dental clinic you are making. Let's suppose you are making a new building for dental clinics in a hospital. Okay, so this is a project. Okay, because it has some starting and ending point, it gives you a unique thing, so it's a project. Okay, now if we talk about program, so what is now a program is, let's suppose you are making a dental clinic in a hospital, and also you are making a laboratory in a hospital, and also you are making a let's suppose you are making a let's suppose gynae hospital, a gynae building for in the hospital. Okay, so you are making three new buildings for three new purposes in a hospital. Now every building is its own a project. Okay, but as a whole we have a objective that we want to enhance the capabilities of a hospital. So these three buildings, like dental, gynae and another building, so these three buildings, separate buildings, are, every building is a project, because these three buildings are interlinked with each other. Their resources will be shared, the funds will be shared, the objective is the same. So that is why we shall say that it's a program. Why program? Because we are implementing three projects basically, which is a group of project actually, and these three projects are interlinked with each other. Their resources are shared, their main objective and aim is shared, the funds is shared. So that is why we will say that it is a program. Program is a group of projects which are interlinked with each other and having the same objective and aim for the implementation. Okay, so this is the main concept of a program. Now portfolio, what is portfolio actually? Portfolio is a group of different programs and or projects within the same organization, which may be related or unrelated to one another. Now, what is portfolio actually? Portfolio is basically, you can say, see, project is one thing, okay, program is group of project, and portfolio is basically group of multiple different programs and projects, and it is a bigger than program actually. See, try to understand from here. Portfolio means, for example, take the same example of hospital here. Like we were saying that building of one building in a hospital is was a project, and multiple building was a program. Okay, now see, you are making for example you are making two hospitals now, and in two hospitals, like for example one hospital has multiple building and another hospital will have, like for example, 3 to 4 buildings new. So it is now a portfolio. Why portfolio? Because see, in the portfolio we are saying that it can have multiple projects, in it can have multiple programs. So basically, whenever we talk about portfolio, we are talking about different group of programs and different level of projects actually. Okay, so take the same example of a hospital here. If you are building, making two new hospitals, and every hospital has multiple buildings for dental, for clinics, for laboratories, for example. So but now you are making two hospitals here, okay, which has, and here it is important that it is not necessary that projects are interlinked with each other and resources are shared. It is not necessary. It can be a possibility that projects and programs are independently working, and it is different. Okay, so here just remember this difference. So thank you friend, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.